Have you ever wondered how technology shapes the structure of organizations? Well, let me break it down for you. Technology includes the knowledge, tools, and techniques used to transform inputs into outputs. It's like the backbone of production activities. Now, when it comes to manufacturing, there are three types of production technology. First, we have small batch and unit production, where goods are made to customer specifications. Think custom clothing or special order machine tools. Then, there's large batch and mass production, where standardized products are produced in high volumes. Automobile assembly lines are a great example. Lastly, we have continuous process production, where the entire workflow is mechanized. Chemical plants and nuclear power plants fall into this category. The difference among these technologies is called technical complexity, which determines the level of human involvement. With complex technology, machinery takes the lead, and employees mainly monitor the machines. Now, here's the interesting part. The structure of organizations varies based on the technology they use. Mass production requires centralized decision-making and well-defined rules, while small batch and continuous process production have more flexible structures. And guess what? High-performing organizations tend to have structures that align with their technology. So, next time you see a well-structured organization, remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit between structure and technology.